In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator step by step. Google Authenticator adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by generating a unique verification code every few seconds. So let's get started. First, open App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Google Authenticator and install the app. I have my app already installed, so you can see the open option. Now let's connect it to an account. For example, I'll use Google account, but the process is similar for Facebook, Instagram, Binance, Microsoft, and many other services. Go to your account settings, security settings. Go to your account security settings. Look for two-factor authentication, also called 2FA. Choose Google Authenticator as your authentication method. A QR code will appear on the screen. Now, uh, I'm because I'm using the same phone, so I'll use the code instead. So you can click on can't see QR, so you will see the unique code that you will use to paste on Google Authenticator. So as soon you do it, you'll see a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code on the website and click verify. That's it. Your account is now protected with two-factor authentication. Important tip. Always save your backup or recovery code in a safe place. If you lose your phone, these backup codes can help you regain access to your account. And that's how you use Google Authenticator. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.